Hey guys, I'm back. Part 3 of that box review. I organized all the other cards and we're down to our final 8 packs. So let's get on with it quickly. Told you it'd be a cool video series, huh? Getting that autographed. I don't remember who it was. Oh man. Not an auto, but still. Roy Halladay double. Zimmerman double. That's new. Dorsey's Paulino. Ronnie Rodriguez, Cleveland Indians. Yuri Perez, gold. Oh, look at that. This is the autograph. The guy I got of the autograph. Lenny Linsky, I got his autograph just last video. And then Rob Brentley, gold, like sparkling catcher. That's really cool. Moustakis double. Matt Latos. And first, one of the top prospects in baseball right now, Alex Meyer from Minnesota. Cool, good start. Come on, maybe one more autograph would be nice. I believe I have that guy. Yeah, I do. Ryan Braun. Todd Frazier. Marco Scudero, double. Shit. It's all doubles. Christian Betancourt, Braves. Alex Meyer, non-chrome. Gold Ricky Weeks. Hanley Ramirez. And then 3 doubles. Jay Bruce. Luis Sardinas. And William Oliver. Very nice card. I'm very impressed. I wish that wasn't a double. Altuve double. Roldis Chapman double. Oh, here we go. Gabriel Guerrero non-chrome. Jason Aquino. Diane Vizcaino. That's what it is. God damn it. And then 4 doubles. Steven Moya, Anderson Felicianquis, James Shields, and Chris Medlin. Not the best start in the world. Oh, we got a bench package here with that. Oh, yeah, there's a new one. Tony Cingrani. Brian McCann, another double. Oh, yes. I got a good one, guys. Not that one. Bourne, double. Carlos Sanchez. Socrates Brito. Goldberry Zito. That's nice. A blue Darren Ruff. This is where it's coming. Hang on. LJ Hose. He went to the Astros. This one right after this one is it. This is the one right here. Byron Buxton, chrome. That is awesome. Alright, down to our final 4, you guys. So I did get an auto, which I'm very nice. Very happy about that. Alright. Rookie Adeiny Hechavarria. Oddly, one of the best pitchers right now, or one of the best players for the Marlins. Ryan Howard. Steven Strasburg, I believe that's new. Patrick Kivlahan. Tyler Heineman. Gold Casey Kelly. Outfielder for the Marlins, Jake Marisnick. That's cool. Jeremy Moore. Oh yeah, I think that's new. Corey Hart. And Mike Minor. Final 3, you guys. I guess you could call that Byron Buxton a hit, right? Oh, man. Alright. Salvador Perez double. Josh Hamilton double. Nolan Sanburn double. Jose Cisnero double. Oh boy. Oh, yeah, here we go. Gold Jerks and Profar. Roman Quinn, Phillies. Colby Rasmus double. CJ Wilson. Mike Snyder. And Wilfredo Rodriguez. Final 2 packs. I'd like one more auto. Come on. That's kind of asking for a lot in my opinion, but who cares? Doubles right off the bat. Reyes. Laurie. Darvish. Shit. Morse. Alonzo. Oh, that was ugly. That was an ugly pack. Edwin Diaz double. Dane Phillips double. Oh, gold Elvis Andrews. That's new. And George Springer. And a double. Oh, God. That was an ugly pack. Holy shit. All right, last pack, guys. Justin Upton double. Chris Davis double. John Jay double. There's something new. Oh, wait a minute. Ji-Man Choi. Yasir Amara. Oh, these aren't doubles. Oops. Tim Lincecum. The hell? Is that an autograph? No, that's not an auto. Shit. That's cool, though. Adrian Gonzales, 2000 Bowman. That's not his autograph. I don't think. I'll research it. And then 3 doubles again. Bloody hell. Anyway, still very good cards. I did get an auto, so I am very happy. It was a very successful box break, guys. So thank you for watching. I really do appreciate it. Again, subscribe. Please subscribe. And again, another point, shout out to my good friend, Robin's Finest. Make sure you check out his review. Okay, guys, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy New Year, and that was the Bowman box break of 24 pack. See you guys around, alright? More videos coming soon.